Hey, I'm going to explain the difference between the balanced and unbalanced. The balanced and unbalanced in physics and in our practical life is fully different. In our practical life, balanced means very nice talk. Wow, the person is balanced. Neither bad nor good, medium. Neither talkative nor silent, optimum speaker. Optimum means medium, and balanced and optimum is synonymous. Am I clear? But practical balanced, in our personal life, balanced is very good. But in physics, balanced is not a good word. Why? Because Tasmia has bought a car. The car horsepower, the engine force, engine ability of Tasmia car, 2000 Newton front force. This is the front force. And the weight of the Tasmia car is 1500 Newton. Unfortunately, the air friction, you understand air friction? Mean the air opposes Tasmia car, this is 300 Newton. And the wheel friction of Tasmia car is 200 Newton. So in total, how many negative forces? Yes, 300, 200 plus 15. This is the 2000 negative forces. So Tasmia engine ability is 2000 and Tasmia car engine disability, negative forces are 2000. So it could be told that until Qiyamah, Tasmia car will be on the same place. But no change. Why? Because Tasmia car front force and backward force are equal, and this is balanced force, and balanced force is not at all good matter. Why? Because balanced force doesn't make the car moving. Yes, if the Tasmia want to get a speedy car, definitely this front force should be 22,000 Newton. Huge car, oh my Allah. The car engine is tremendous. And what about negative? So that this is 22,000 Newton. So Tasmia car doesn't care about the negative matter. What about the weight? What about the air friction? What about the wheel friction? Tasmia car will be tremendous. So this is unbalanced force. So balanced force is not at all good matter. Moreover, unbalanced force is good in the field of force, movement, kinematics of physics. Thank you.